This video I'm going to show you how to make a spider from wire with a stone, and in this case a walnut, half of it. This is a do-it-yourself video. I use this wire and these are my tools, and I'll show you in the video how I make it. The spider is made of one long wire. This will be the eye. Then I make legs. Four legs and at each side. All loopings, all loops. Then I take the wire and I wrap it 2 times around it, and I go back and make a little looping for the body to be attached to this one, and then make another two loopings, and that's it. And I cut the wire the same length as the other eye. This is what it's supposed to be. And I use this tool to move the windings together, and then I twist the eyes a few times, a bit more together. I twist the body. Repeat these steps a few times, and then when this is close together, I twist it so that it will be fixed in this place. Don't turn it too much because it will break then, and then you will have to start all over again. This will be the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the attachment to the body. In this case a walnut. And these long ones will be the eyes. I will make a little eye on the end of the wire. Also on the other side with a rounding tool. And then I make a long and roll it all together like a flat coil, like this. I think when you're a little bit used to making spiders, it will take you about the length of this video to make one. So just leave a little bit here. little bit place to bend it in place, and turn the other one also to an eye, a spiral eye. See, so it goes. This bit is a little bit tricky, but you will get the hang of it. So these are the eyes. I bend them like this. So you got the eyes. Now it's taking a little bit more shape like a spider. Next step. Is to twist the wires for the legs, so they will stay in place after you cut them open, like this. Do this 4 times for all the legs. Not too much, because it will break. The wire will break. Then you'll have to start all over again. I use a little bit soft wire, not too sturdy, so gives you a little bit freedom to work around and make what you want to make. So it looks like this. And I cut the wire at the end. Now they become legs. A little bit straight, like this. When I turn it around, this will be the loose side of the spider. Take 1/3 over leg, bend it inside towards the body. Take 1/3 again and bend it outwards. So 1/3 inside and 1/3 outside. Also do this with all the legs. Like this. Inside 1/3, 1/3 outside. Inside 1/3, 1/3 outside. So it's the last leg. So now the legs are made. Pull them like this. These are the legs of the spider. Now it's taking more shape, like and I bend them a little bit like this. Oh, spider is walking. And I turn it around, take the round tool, and little the end a little bit around like this inside. This makes it possible for the spider to clamp onto things or just stand on a table or hang on a painting frame. So this is the spider, and this will be glued with thermal glue, walnut glue to the walnut. There you have it. This is the spider, the walnut spider. Have a nice day.